Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by rinsing 2 cups short grain rice until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch for a clean texture. Cook 2 cups short grain rice with 2¼ cups water in a covered pot or rice cooker, then let rest 10 minutes. Season rice with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, folding gently to avoid mashing grains. Use 4 ounces cooked salmon flaked into bite-sized pieces. If using raw salmon, sear 2 to 3 minutes per side and cool before flaking. Prepare an assembly area with a small bowl of water and a plate for finished onigiri. Wet hands and rub with 1 teaspoon salt to prevent sticking and to season the outer rice. Take a palm-sized 3/5-inch ball of warm rice and press a shallow indentation, then add 1 tablespoon salmon. Press a palm-sized 3/5-inch ball of rice around 1 tablespoon salmon, enclosing the filling. Fold rice into a triangle and press firmly, but gently to form a compact, slightly textured surface that holds shape. To finish, cut nori into 3/5-inch strips for single onigiri wraps or use full sheets for large pieces. Brush salmon with 2 teaspoons soy sauce for a savory glaze before filling if you want extra flavor. Let it cool so the rice won't become soggy. Wrap each formed onigiri with a strip of nori, sealing with a dab of water if needed. Store wrapped onigiri refrigerated up to 24 hours or frozen up to 1 month. Thaw in the fridge and reheat gently before serving.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.